Hello everyone, my name is Apoorv Gupta and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be going to talk about what is difference between a code editor and IDE. If you are a beginner in programming and confused about what should I choose, a code editor or an IDE, then this video will going to be very helpful to you. So please watch this video till the end, hit the subscribe button, give thumbs up for YouTube algorithm, plus it gives me motivation to make more amazing content like this. Please share this video with your friends, colleagues, seniors and juniors. With this, let's get started. Before telling you anything more about a code editor or an IDE, I want to first talk about two questions. First, why you need them, and second, what makes them so special. Why you need a code editor or an IDE? I want to answer this question by giving you an example. Long time ago, when a country or a kingdom is owned or ruled by kings, whenever there was a war took place, they prepare it by using armor on body, helmet on head, and sword in their hand. By using all these, they create an environment or prepare them for war. Similarly, for coders and programmers, code editor or an IDE act like same, where they can write 100 lines of code and make powerful and wonderful apps very easily. Now let's move towards second question. What makes code editor or an IDE so special? The basic principle or basic feature of any code editor or an IDE is that they convert your program into machine codes 0101 binary so that your computer understands what you are writing. Code editor or an IDE does not restrict to this feature only. They provide a lot of features like syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, debugging, and many more. Now let's talk about the main question of this video. What is the difference between a code editor or an IDE? Talking about code editors, these are very lightweight applications and simple to use. So if you are a beginner who don't have any prior knowledge, then you can learn how to use it very quickly. I have used many code editors, but my personal favorites are VS Code, Vim, Sublime Text, Atom, and Bracket. On the other hand, IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. These are very large and bulky applications and can be overwhelming for you if you are a beginner. The IDEs that I have used are PyCharm for Python, some other JetBrains IDEs, CodeBlocks, and Eclipse. Now I want to throw some light on the mistakes that beginners often do, and I have also done this, which is they use IDEs instead of code editors. My advice to beginner or intermediate developers: use code editors instead of IDEs. Now I want to talk about some code editors or IDE which are good for specific language. If you are machine learning and data science enthusiast, use Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab. These are very great applications. If you are into Android development, use Android Studio. And if you are into web development, computer programming, or use any other language to write code, then use VS Code and Vim. These two are very good code editors. I personally use VS Code and Vim. I like to use VS Code very much because it has very nice user interface. VS Code provides you with many extensions that help developers to write their code. And VS Code is made by Microsoft. Now there are many people out there who will say, I don't want to download any code editor or an IDE. Then you can use online code editor or IDE where you can write your code and run your code so that you don't have to download any code editor or an IDE. I have put all the links of the code editor in the description. You can check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt regarding this video, write in the comment section. Share this video with your friends, juniors, seniors. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.